Hello everyone, I'm Sridikshita. Today I'm going to explain one of the problem in HackerRank solution, that is compute transpose of a matrix and multiply the matrix with its transpose. That is, here the problem is given a matrix, output it transpose. Input first line is m and n. Then m lines each with n elements follows. Output the product of the matrix with the transpose of a matrix. So, as per the statement, that is, we had given a matrix. In the first line, it contains m and n. Here, m value is 2 and n value is 3. And then m lines each with n elements follows. So, we had given m lines, that is 2 lines, and with n elements, that is 3 elements each follows. So, first we have to transpose these matrix. That is, it comes in the form of rows are converted into columns, columns are converted into rows. That is, the matrix contain the elements as 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. So, the transpose which we had obtained should multiplied with the original matrix and we have to show the output. So, first let's take the input from the input. Now I'm taking the mn values as rows and columns, that is rows equal to. So the matrix is in the form of R cross R by C. So we have to take a 2D array, that is, the matrix is in the size of R by C. So now we have to sh- take each and every element to the matrix, that is, so I had read each and every input. Now let's transpose this matrix. So transposition means converting the rows into columns, columns into rows. That is, we have to change the order of the matrix. That is, here we had taken the size of R and C. So now we have to take the another matrix with the size of C and R. As we had already discussed that, so here the column element is converted into row element. That is, we have to take the matrix of M1 is in the form of J and I. So the zeroth element of first column. Here the zeroth element. So zeroth row first column is 2. And here we have to choose second row first column, first element. That is 4. So now we have to product the matrix. So while we product the two matrices, the column and the column of first matrix should be equal to the row of the second matrix. So as we had already see that here column of the first matrix C is equal to the row of the second matrix. So when we product two matrices, here the matrices is in the form of R cross C and product with the C cross R. So the output, the order of the matrix is should be in the form of R cross R. So we have to product, take the size of the third matrix in the form of R cross R. So now we have to write the code for the product of the matrix. First, we have to take the values of each and every value of third matrix should be 0. So, as zeroth element, I value is 0 and j value here is 0. So, 0 first row, first element is the product of the each and every row with the column of the element, each and element in the second matrix. That is, here 1, 2, 3 is multiplied with the first column of the second matrix. So here I represents the row, that is 0th row, and K represents the column. So K is from the 0 to C minus 1. And here we had taken the second matrix. Here K represents the column. So first first column and J represents the row. So here we write the logic for the product of the matrix. Now we have to print the output. Now let's run the output. So sorry, we had got the error. That is, the error is here we take the matrix M2, that is, we have to take M1. So now let's run the output. So for every completion of row, we have to take the new line. So this is how we do this problem. Thank you all. Now let's submit the code once. Okay.